This is why no Halloween, right? No fun stuff.
What you want? What you want?
So by nature, which a lot of you probably don't know, I've been a car junkie for a long time. I used to work on motorcycles and do all that kind of stuff. I used to buy things like the old 51 Ford back here, or there's a 99 Ford sitting over there. Anyway, I got vehicles that I usually bought under value, work on. If I got myself in a pinch, could sell that thing, make a little money, buy some other, just jalopy to get by for a little while and move on. But hasn't been that way for a little while. So I'll introduce you to this BMW. However, I didn't buy this thing. It was given to me by my brother. My brother it does very, very well. And it was given to me years ago. Been a pretty decent car. I've had a few problems with it, but now I really got some problems with it. And I've also got another one sitting in here in the garage that once again my brother gave to me. However, this pretty thing has a locked up motor. So from what you've seen, I've got this red BMW, this gray BMW. That the old 51 over here, that was my boy's. I gave it to my boy before he went off to the Marines, and it needs some brake work and stuff. So it's not running right now, as life would have it. Then I have my shop truck over there, the old Ford. And that's, out of all these vehicles, is the only thing that's running. So this weekend is car weekend. I got to get myself, I got to get my wife another set of wheels running within the next 3 or 4 days, because she's got to do things. And right now my real job is AC work, and it's hot right now, and I'm busy all the time. And our daughter's 14 and she's got things doing, so I got to get a set of cars running. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not whining and complaining. I'm blessed to have these cars, especially these two that were given to me. I say I'm blessed because at least I have the mechanical skills and ability to be able to work on these things. I'm no top ace mechanic by any means, but I am smart enough to tear them down, fix them, put them back together. So current situation, here we are. But the pain with this car is our leaks are coming out of these two, basically they're like a plastic line. They're a heater hose. Right here was a drop-in oil filter bracket that had to be removed. I got to take the intake off here. Basically, I've got to clear out this whole side of the motor right here just so I can get in here and replace these two lines. More than likely, these aren't cracked. They're probably just the O-rings in here that are bad. However, since I've got this open, we're just going to put new in. And you can see too that the gasket for the oil filter housing, she's been leaking for a long time. So we're going to fix that leak while we're doing this. Yay. You guys probably don't know, most of you, I do have another YouTube channel. I started it with my son a long time ago. We haven't really done anything on it. I don't even know there's a video on it. But that channel is called You Said You Were Bored. So I think what I'm going to do in parallel with this one is maybe do videos, because like this other BMW, I got the motor unstuck. So I may squeeze out of this one and be okay. So I think maybe I might do some progression videos on cars or whatever, or just real life crap. Nothing seems to go as planned. Everybody's got their own problems. Crap happens, as everybody says. So may just do some vlog type stuff like that about life when life goes bad and what you can do, whatever. I don't know if you guys are interested in stuff like that. That's not Mache crafting or related to that. I might start doing some videos over there. Anyway, I think I am going to post some on the car over there, so if you guys want to go over and subscribe to that channel and look for some content there as well. I mean, the whole point of the channel says you said you were bored. If you're bored and sitting at home and got nothing else to do, you can listen to me do stupid stuff. So anyway, we'll see you all later. Hopefully next week, next couple weeks, we're back to normal, and we'll get on some new I have a project that I want to start, and I'm not telling you guys about it yet because I'm super stoked, and I think it's going to be a whole lot of fun. So until next time, make your cars run.